Woyoi Cook and Vibe. Welcome. Yeah, today I'm in London, but I got a bridging from Jamaica. Jabreds. You see me? I'm a real bridging, so we're gonna link him now. You see me? Yeah, man, I'm mad thing, people. We're there in London, we link up the bridging. General. Good to see the eyes. Yeah, brother.
One and only.
One and only Jabreds. A long time. I just see that they were there in Jamaica.
Just
know they are
England. I know they are. Where?
Welcome to the UK, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Our ground.
See?
You see me? Yeah, man.
That.
From Kingston to London. Yeah, Jabreds in fully outside. You see me? Yeah, man. M.R. we're outside. Yeah, man. I want. You don't have to talk too much, you know what I think of.
Yeah.
We got the man then Z.
yes.
You see me? $1 million. We spent $1 million last night. And
yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up the artist. The whole life family. And for now, everything good. Jabreds up on the ground.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Cook and Vibe. Man brought him to Taco Bell's. See me? Yeah, the guy that can through some food, you know? Yeah, people, man, I like Cook and Vibe. The food's actually really good in here. I like breads, a good food, man. The fries, them bad.
The fries, them
seasoned well.
Amazing, seasoned well. Trust me, them fries are bad. Taco Bell.
Go follow his YouTube channel right.
Jabreds.
Follow Instagram right now, YouTube, everything right now. It's right there at the bottom.
Subscribe to my Viva, Jabreds Viva. Instagram, Jabreds 1. Facebook, Jabreds. Anyway, Google Jabreds.
Cook and Vibe, look who's there. Oh! People, you know what to do, man. Jump over to the channel right now, quick and fast.
Subscribe.
The God behind the place, Croydon. Yeah, we done moved from Woolwich, now we're in East Croydon, people. Now we're gonna do a Cook and Vibe actually, funny enough. So you're gonna see some cooking in the next episode. But yeah. They don't know the God link up Ringo Vision, which is right.
One Grand Apache.
Yeah, so. Yeah, man, and first time, you see the tram lines, them people. So here you got trams. It's like buses, like you see it here. It's just driving down here. So basically, it's like a train, but it drives on the road, and you only really get these in Croydon. You see me? So our first time, our first time bridging up on the tram. A history we are making as Jabreds. Morning Cook and Vibe with there, man.
Yeah.
Is it? The great Jabreds. Yeah, so people, like I say, it's his first time in England. We're in Kent at the moment.
Kent.
And you know, we're doing it this morning. We're doing it English style this morning.
English style, see?
Cup of tea, mate. You know what I mean?
Real English style, bro.
Yeah, we got our tea, people. So, you know, say, we're doing it the English style. We're waiting for our fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Yeah, fish and chips. And a cup of tea. Yeah, he's teaching him the English. Him done teach me the Jamaican style already, you know, people. So I'm gonna teach him English style.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, see they got the fish and chips, people.
Yeah.
Yeah, fish and chips thing, man. Cause you know, say England we're there. Jamaica, snapper and escovitch. England. Yeah, the onion vinegar. People, I've just told him about the onion vinegar.
That's very good.
The onion vinegar bad. That's a one good thing about UK. Yeah, man, we're there, people. Yeah. We got our things guys, isn't we? Yes, Cook and Vibe, we're there. Sheerness Carnival, we've got colours. You see me? We find out one Jamaican that sells some colours. Yeah, so we are represent Sheerness Carnival, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oi oi. Oi oi. We've done the carnival thing. We've done the fish and chips. We've done the cup of tea thing. You get me? Now we'll do some Jamaican vibes. You see it, my general? Yeah. Here we go, people. Cooking some chicken soup. Yeah, we're cooking some chicken soup. You see the Scotch bonnet just floating on the top there. You see me? The pumpkin is in there, the chicken's in there. We've got some pimento seed in there. We've got some scallion in there. And if you look, this is where the pumpkin was picked. 2 minutes ago, we picked the pumpkin, cut it off, and put it in the pot. You know what I'm saying? The reason why I didn't film it is because I am going to use this big one here for episode. So you will see the pumpkins being picked. Yeah, man, we're there, all our vibes. Yeah, man. Yes, people, you don't know. Welcome to Cook and Vibes. We're there, man. So I want to give you, what I want to do, Bridge, is I want to make him know who you are. You understand? Yeah. Because they might see it. Because, all right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play for a song for you right now.
Catch me in Portmore with Jabred, you're the quinging off crickets.
Yeah, so that was one of my viral songs. You see me? Millions and millions of views, people. And you say, catch me in Portmore with Jabred. Yeah, because a long time we link, what, over 8 years?
Over 8 years, my brother.
You see me?
And watch out, we're there live in the UK now, people.
I mean, and it's a joy, people, because, you know, every time I see Jabred's Jamaica, we're there. And I never thought that Jabred would be sitting here in the Cook and Vibe seat, you know. Yeah, the God have to sit in his seat, you know, people. And that me I tell you. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm just making a war ground. I'm making know who the general is, you know. He's a close family member, but he's also artist. And that's what we want to promote to them the most. Man. Yeah. Because right now, all you have to do is just go into the description below and click on the link, and that takes you straight through to your album.
Right to the everything for Jabred, all links.
And I've got some favourite tunes, yeah. So you just go and check it out. He's got a brand new one. You get me? I'm not even going to give you the names. What I want you to do is I want you to comment below your favourite song. I'm not going to tell you any names of the songs because we're going to test you here to make sure you're supporting the thing. They won't forget it. They won't forget it, and they won't regret it. That me I tell you. And you see right here is his Instagram. So you can follow his Instagram, and also his Instagram will be in the description below. You understand, people? So yeah, man, we're there, man. All our vibes and
man.
Good vibes, man.
Live in a Kent.
Yeah.
What them feel like we went. Kent.
Aye.
Queen Apache.
Give them a piece of style.
The Quenisha call me Apache. Say she love off the style while them a copy. Y'all see down on the bike. Kawasaki.
Joy. Give a piece of Quenga tune.
No boy can call away. That's true, me say Quenga them a fall away. Long time me know them a wallowis. Them know me hate hotter than a cannabis.
Mad, and that's what you're getting. And so you're getting, go check out the tune then, people. So yeah, so basically this whole episode is like, this is a Jabred's vlog.
Yeah, man, you know, they're alive in living colours. The whole UK, more big up the whole England.
Yeah.
From Brixton to Kent.
Yeah.
London. Birmingham. Cardiff.
And what you know?
Yeah, I mean,
what if people from Jamaica what said today?
Big them up. Big up all of my Jamaican.
Yeah.
Anyone there, when I don't know, it's a boy, Jabred's the Queen Apache. You know what I mean? And we're there in live in living colours.
So, more talk to my Jamaican them for a minute. So, Jamaican them, more talk to you for a minute. So, see a bridge in there. A long time you know a bridge, you know. And it had drive to see the man in our place. And you know, it rough at Jamaica and it rough and it hard to get out of Jamaica.
I tell you.
You see me? So, yo, people, Jamaican, me glad to see the eye in our place.
Yeah, man.
May I tell us a good vibes. May I go and show him the England vibes and show him some culture about the England vibes, you see me? Yeah.
Everything is great with them back.
England, you don't know, it's like, imagine if it was funny. Yo, we are laughing because last night we gave him some chips. We call them crisps. We gave him cheese and onion. Everyone knows cheese and onion, innit? I talk to my English people, they know. May I know them thing there in US, but may I talk to US people there and they say, well, in a minute. But I know, say, England, Europe, everybody know cheese and onion. Wow. It's like the dog first eat some cheese and onion crisp, and the man love cheese and onion. We have to laugh because we don't like them.
Them get, yo,
People.
Big up all of the kids them have cheese and onions
Yo,
at home.
all big
Good
people
snacks. If you want to
cheese
get
and
me,
onion.
no, listen, if you want to have Jabreads at home and come over, anyone, just have cheese and onion.
Honestly, you got to think about it for a minute, people. The first time, if you've never had cheese and onion crisp before, it's the first time you might go to Jamaica and try some things in Jamaica that you've never tried before in your life.
Man.
And that's the greatest thing about Cook on Vibe. You know, we branch out the cultures and bring the cultures them together and just make everybody just know everything about every culture. So everybody know what I'm on.
Yeah, because the culture have to spread, you know.
So our US people, again, like a whole heap of people from US, I watch a whole heap of people from Barbados,
the whole Caribbean,
India, and everywhere, Germany, and whole place I watch, man. So just big up
on yourself.
Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. Yes, people. So we're in the pub. English thing. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
You get you, you know. Yo, I can get you already, you know, people. And man thing, no, do you know what? God, I've learned so much about Jamaican culture, like I keep saying. I have to show Jabreads some of the English culture. We're there in the pub, drinking a beer, proper English style. You know what I'm saying? It's a pleasure. I've had the artist in the place. Beer Works, we done a music video yesterday called Jah Guide Me, you see me? But we there, man, English vibes, you get me? Watch out for what's next for Jabreads, you see me? Watch the story. Why on?
See, from the journey, from such time, because I'm now going to ask you how long you've been in this. Is there anybody that's been on the journey that you may even get inspirational vibes from Desert to up to where it is right now?
Yeah, I don't know, we acknowledge the reggae stars and big up Garnet, Toots. You know what I mean? A lot of great legends, because we link with enough great legends in Jamaica, so you.
Yes.
Yeah, I love Jabreads. You see me as a ringo?
Yes.
Yeah, you have a spin chicken in the same way.
Yes,
you don't attack, we not burn up chicken pan the fire. You know what I mean?
Right.
You see people?
Don't know
yeah, in the action, same
in a real life.
Yeah.
Bro? Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? So the jerk chicken lovers, them on the can roll out and rice and peas.
Same
so, we inspired by many great, even Bob Marley, the legend.
True.
Peter Touch.
True.
You know what I mean? Dennis Brown, the great singer, them. And many more. Me as a youth, well, really like the foundation music. And we was a 90s youth. We come from the 80s.
Yes.
So we love the 90s. And, you know what I mean? We love the elders and the people.
Cook and Vibe, we're still on the episode. You see, I truly say you don't even know what the episode is going to be. It's going to be mad though. But look, Jabreads there. We're in Brixton, people. We just come from the studio. We got Buzzrock studio. We got Bucky Joe. I'm going to show you the pictures there. Yeah. It's a mad thing. We're now on our way to radio. Yeah. Shell Radio. Mad thing, you see me? Yeah.
Yeah, that beat there. Guess who I got in the building, people? You know who I got in the building? Yo. End up. Show them.
LA Fridays. We there. No long thing. You hear me say up pure shellings there. You know the thing go. Look. Boom. It's a mad thing. Anything we do is top ranking. Please don't bother try ramping. I'll especially go mad with the ranking.
Yeah, yo, that is Jabreads, you know. If you don't know, you better get to know. But wait. Wait. Remember saying this is LA Fridays, you know, and me say send an artist a road with a clean heart, you know. What we say, send Jabreads a road, people. Right, come we send him, yo, next song. Jabreads, hear that song there.
Yo, LA Fridays. After where they will say quanging, some boy feel like a beggings. Yo, got to. I was stepping on the street in a bag friend, me quang them, me hang them, the style we never lend them. Boy, teach me style and I pretending. He said the trend now, they must be a quang them. Quanging.
What, people, we're in Brixton. Jabreads can't believe how Jamaican it is.
Yo, come like a yard with it. Let's feel like a half a tree.
A little Jamaican we call this, man.
Come like a half a tree downtown with it. You can't shop a trap.
Yeah.
We are maybe a gang of people up here.
Yeah, man, that's what the place stay, people, you know? Yeah. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where I go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. What yo, people? Welcome to the big up section. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. something a bit different. You get me? My brethren, I've known him for a long time. He reached here for the first time. And I said, you know what? I got to kind of give him my kind of English vibes. Man don't even really go to the pubs and anything there. But, I just have vibes. Do you know what I'm saying? I just have vibes. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed something a bit different. Season 8, I'm trying various little different things. Do you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, make sure you go and check out Jabred's Vivo channel, where his music's at. You get me? Make sure you go and check him out. You get me? Also, make sure you go check out my management's page, which is Highest YGP. You get me? Make sure you go check them out. That is my management. Also, big up today, Theo Bold jams in. Says, greetings from Cousins Cove, Western Jamaica. Big up the whole of Jamaica, United Tingo. We have got some episodes still to forward from Jamaica, so don't worry, it ain't all England. You get me? And also big up On Top Gaming 171T. Says, M. smashing these videos. Woyo, I can't wait to see what's to come. This man has come a long way. Woyo, big up my G. Yes, it's been a good journey so far. People, we literally, I even know by the time this video reaches, we might even all hit 40k by then, but we are close to 40k. As I'm making this video, I'm at about 39,526 or something like that. You get me? So it's moving in the right direction. 40k, let's go. When I hit 40k, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get an up and coming artist and I'm gonna feature their music video on the channel. We can all show love to their music. Try and give them a support that they've never got before, and just try and help some up and coming younger artists, whatever. We're just gonna try and help the people, them, to push their thing out there, to say thank you for building a platform for myself, nearly 40,000 subscribers. Then I must try to pass that on and help someone else out and use that platform to push someone else's craft. Do you know what I'm saying? That's how the thing go. Yeah, man. So 40k, we soon touch it. And that's what I'm gonna do. Next, 50k, quick and fast, people. You understand? Yeah, we're not playing around. We want to hit 50k fast because these are the steps. 40k, bosh. 50k, bosh. 100k, bosh. Quick and fast, people. You know what I'm saying? So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. You get me? If you've already subscribed, then make sure you tell your brethren, make sure you tell your family members, make sure you show your cousin, everyone. I didn't even say that right. It's a little bit late. I've been on the Bob Marley in the main. See you soon.